You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. Welcome back to Rome Tech. In this video, we're diving into the HelloMobile eSIM, a budget-friendly mobile option perfect for those seeking reliable connectivity without emptying their wallets. Check out the links in the description below for more details on the product. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience using the HelloMobile eSIM. This service targets users who prioritize cost-effectiveness and want dependable service without the premium price tag. Leveraging T-Mobile's network, HelloMobile offers nationwide coverage, including 5G access where available, all at a competitive price point. Activating the eSIM was incredibly simple and efficient. The entire process is handled online, and within minutes of scanning a QR code, my eSIM was up and running, eliminating any shipping delays. HelloMobile caters to cost-conscious consumers seeking flexible plans without unnecessary extras. They offer affordable unlimited data plans, as well as limited data options for those with lighter usage habits, accommodating both light and heavy data users alike. During my time using the service, I found the call quality to be consistently clear and data speeds reliable in both urban and suburban environments, especially in areas with strong T-Mobile coverage. A significant advantage for international users is the inclusion of unlimited calling and texting to over 60 countries, making overseas communication incredibly convenient. Another standout feature is the hotspot capability, which allows you to share your data connection with other devices at no extra charge, a fantastic perk for staying connected on the go. The HelloMobile app, while basic, is highly functional, providing easy access to data usage monitoring, bill viewing, and account management. It's ideally suited for users who prefer a no-contract, pay-as-you-go system, offering the freedom to change or cancel plans without long-term obligations. However, it's important to note that HelloMobile doesn't currently support roaming, so if you frequently travel internationally, this service might not be the best choice. Additionally, customer support is primarily online, which may be a drawback for those who prefer direct, in-person assistance. In summary, the HelloMobile eSIM is a great option for budget-conscious individuals who value decent coverage, reliable data speeds, and simple, straightforward plans. If you're looking to save money without sacrificing the core elements of a good mobile service, HelloMobile is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.